Rascal and Little Flora by Paul Jennings, illustrated by Bob Lee. Sherry had a visitor, a dragon called Flora. Rascal loved her. Rascal wanted Flora to love him too, so he showed off. But Flora didn't even see him. Flora loved dinosaurs. The bigger, the better. Sniff loved Flora. He gave her some good rubbish. Shovel loved Flora. He dug holes for her. Ruff loved Flora. He howled for her with both heads. Bomber loved Flora. He dropped poo for her. Rascal gave rubbish to Flora. It was smelly. Rascal, said Ben, you must do something nice for Flora. Rascal dug holes for Flora. She fell in. Rascal howled for Flora. It sounded terrible. Rascal dropped poo for Flora. It hit her on the head. So Flora went off to play with Ruff and Bomber and Shovel and Sniff, but not Rascal. Rascal tried to find some food for Flora. He was not allowed in the shop. Rascal looked for some food in the bins. He had to run away. But then Rascal found a nice big bone. Flora loved it. And she loved Rascal too. You can find more Rascal stories at your school library or public library.